Welcome to another episode of Absolute Talks. I'm Conrad and this is Jack. We hear so many varying opinions and receive even more questions on do we layer or do we not layer zirconia structures? Jack, you've been instrumental and involved in developing many of these techniques over the years. What's your opinion on this?
In the past, we had no choice to layer. This was due to the incredible opacity and poor aesthetic results found in early generation zirconia materials. When we had to layer it, it was still important not to compromise the restoration by removing the incisal edge. Early on, I developed special cutback techniques utilized to maximize aesthetics while keeping all functional surfaces in monolithic zirconia. This not only provided great aesthetics, but it also protected the integrity of the restoration. Unfortunately today, I still see technicians removing the incisal edge to create aesthetics. In my opinion, this is compromising the restoration, especially on zirconia implant restorations.
Jack, do you agree that with all these advancements in zirconia development over the years, there is no longer an aesthetic need to layer these structures, especially in implant application?
I do agree 100%. With the current development of multi-layered zirconia products and adding support products like liquid ceramics, the need to layer is, in my opinion, now completely eliminated. If you look at the amazing results we're achieving in Absolute, ranging in complexity from single central units to complex full arch rehabilitations, this material provides us not only with world-class aesthetics, but also monolithic strength, reducing the chance of chipping and failure of the prosthesis.
Furthermore, by not doing a cutback, we can process in a full digital workflow. What we do when we process like that is preserve all the data captured by our clinicians.
Very true, Conrad. Layering ceramics can, in some cases, dilute the advantages of a digital workflow. So being able to process in a monolithic material not only reduces our dependency on arduous hand processing, but it also helps us deliver a more predictable final result.
If you have any questions on these products and modern-day clinical workflows, please don't hesitate to reach out to either of us at 1-844-293-2371 or just visit us at absolutedentallab.com.
See you next time.